In the realm of dreams and desires, where Neville Goddard's lecture inspires, believe it in, the words that ignite, a spark of hope, a beacon of light. With captivating hooks I shall begin to delve into the teachings within, a journey of faith, imagination's flight, unraveling secrets, shining so bright. Imagine, dear reader, what could it be to manifest dreams so effortlessly, to believe in the unseen, the power within, and watch as your reality begins to spin. Neville teaches us, with wisdom profound, that what we believe truly can be found, for in the depths of our minds we hold the key to unlock desires untold. But what does it take to truly embody the essence of Neville's teachings so lofty? It starts with a question, deep and sincere. Do I truly believe, or is doubt my only fear? To believe it in with unwavering trust, to let go of limits, to release what's unjust, requires a shift, a change in perception, to see through the eyes of divine reception. Embracing the power of our thoughts, we shape our reality, tying the knots, manifesting abundance, love, and grace, creating a life that's a vibrant embrace. But how do we apply these teachings each day in the hustle and bustle as life leads the way? It starts with awareness, a mindful intent to align with our desires wherever we're sent. With gratitude's embrace, we attract what we seek, planting seeds of faith as we turn the cheek to negative thoughts and limiting beliefs, creating a space where magic finds relief. Now, dear reader, it's time to take flight, to explore the depths of your inner light. Subscribe to our channel and join the quest to manifest dreams and live your best.